Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to test the Realme 65 watt dot charger and the iQOO 7's 66 watt flash charge support test in the OnePlus 9 device, as you can see friends. So just today morning I did a video on the iQOO 7 device in terms of the supporting with the Realme's and OnePlus charger, and few of the users they did ask me to compare with the OnePlus 9, as you can clearly see friends. This is a comment which I got, so that's why I was able to do this kind of testing even with the OnePlus 9 as well. So right now I do have the iQOO 7 66 watt flash charge, and it is a Realme 65 watt 66 and 65 watt super dot, as you can see. Let me try to zoom in. As you can see, slightly let me try to focus. So super dot and the flash charge 66, so you can clearly see. So I'll try to test charging the OnePlus 9 device, so which charger will be able to compatibly support with the flash charge technology. So that is what I'm trying to do in this video. So first let me try to show you what is the animation. So mainly I'll be focusing on the animation, and next how much speed you are getting. So that is what my main focus will be there. So first let me try to use with the normal 65 watt of wrap charge which we'll be getting with the OnePlus devices. So let me try to connect the wrap charge here. So as soon as I connected the 65 watt of wrap charge, you will get this kind of animation. Let me try to connect properly the charger. I think charger is loose kind of. As you can see friends, right now it immediately detected the wrap charge and it says 65 watt fast charging. So that is the power of this 65 watt fast charging. Now let's demonstrate using the iQOO 7 66 watt flash charge. So this is the charger which I'll try to demonstrate. As you can see friends, this is a cable which belongs to the iQOO 7 66 watt. So just to prove that this cable is a 66 watt fast charging, I'm trying to charge the iQOO 7 and show you the proof. As you can see, so this is a 66 watts cable. So let me try to disconnect the same cable, and I'm trying to connect to the OnePlus device. So let's see what the OnePlus will be saying. So it says charging animation you got, but there is no speed charging indication. As you can clearly see friends, there is no speed charging indication. So one more thing, I quickly forgot to check the speeds on using this 65 watt wrap charge. So let me try to check friends. So right now I connected the OnePlus. So let me try to show you the speeds, how much I'm getting right now by using the actual charger. So it is the application which I'll be using to determine how much charge current will be passing to the phone. As you can see right now, it's the milliamperes increasing the speed rate. So right now the battery percent is close to 85%, so that's why the speed is slightly low, but in the beginning you will be getting around 5000 milliamperes as well. So right now it's stayed around 1700 and 1800, as you can clearly see, by using the 65 watt fast charger. So now let's test using the 66 watts iQOO 7's charger which I connected before. So this is a test which I sort of forgot to make. So let me try to start the test. So this is a 66 watt flash charge. Let me try to show you the proof. So yes, flash charge 66 watts, and now let me connect to the OnePlus 9, and let's see what will be the speeds we'll be getting. So next I'll try to use a Realme's dot charger to test the speeds, how much we'll be getting right now. So right now the speeds are around 642 milliamperes and 645 milliamperes. Let me try to close the screen and give some time. So in case if you have any other doubts on this OnePlus 9, make sure to comment below friends. I'll try to make a video on that particular topic. So right now we did charge for about close to 1 minute of time, and the speeds increased up to 800 milliamperes, not much. So by using the default charger it went up to I think 1800 milliamperes. So using the 66 watt fast charger, let's see what is the maximum speed you can get. So maybe I think close to 1000 milliamperes. So definitely this is not charging with a high speed but slow speed in the OnePlus 9. So overall friends, the conclusion is that the iQOO's charger fast charging technology is not compatible with the wrap charge technology. That is what the conclusion right now we got. And next final test is to demonstrate by using the Realme's 65 watt super dot charger. That will be the real test. Let's see friends. And same thing friends, let me try to show you this cable belongs to the 65 watt super dot charger. So that is the reason I'll try to charge the Realme X1 Pro. As you can see, indication super dot which is clearly displaying for you. Now let me try to use the same cable and charge the OnePlus 9 phone. Let's see whether the OnePlus 9 will be able to detect or not. So we'll get to know in the animation. And yes, it's charging using the super dot charger from the Realme. Yes friends, it's charging, absolutely working fine without any kind of problem in this phone. So let's see the charging speed, how much it's displaying, and it's displaying close to 1800, and same kind of speed which we get with the OnePlus wrap charge, as you can clearly see friends. So overall one final conclusion is that the Realme's 65 watt super dot charger is compatible with the OnePlus mobile phones. So that is what I can give you the conclusion, whereas the iQOO's fast charging technology is not compatible with the OnePlus 9R's technology. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to hit that like, and in case if you have any other queries regarding the smartphones, make sure to definitely comment below. And if you feel like this content is really helpful, and don't forget to like this video, friends, and that will definitely motivate me. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.